It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMLH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And I like to do the 30-minute. I just think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance easier to see. Before anything else, I'm going to do a little bit of house cleaning here, get rid of this line here. And here, yes, these lines still do pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. So get those out of the way. First update comes about from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about James Bond, the 007 level there as an area of resistance. But today, James Bond was defeated. Not only did the price break above it, but the price is now maintaining above it. So 007 would be what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, going forward, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above 007, that would make the chart look very, very powerful. Now, if the price does drop below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above James Bond, that would be best case scenario, no questions asked. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, and more so kind of just simplifying the chart a little bit. And, you know, in regards to measuring the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, is just watch that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And the easiest way to do that, as long as the price stays above that purple line as time goes by, and that purple line will continue to increase, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards price movement is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, next key battleground right up there at 008. That's where the party stopped today. So if this upwards, movement is going to continue to gain momentum, 008 public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on putting in higher lows, then the long-term chart will take care of itself. So let's see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.